Hello, my name is Matthieu Sausse. I'm the production manager of Sculpteo. I've been working here since 2014, initially as an intern, and now I'm running the production as a production manager. I'm taking care of 20 people in-house and more than 20 printers. My responsibilities here are to make sure that the whole production, the whole process is running from the beginning to the end. The very beginning of the process starts when the customer tries to upload a part on the website. The very end is when we ship the part to the customer. The challenges that we have in Sculpteo is that we process a big amount of parts, and all the parts are different, and we have a lot of customers with a lot of needs. So to make sure that we process the good parts and manage the good file and send the good part to the customer, we have to optimize our traceability. In Sculpteo, we process more than 1,000 parts every day. To try to manage this amount of parts every day, we have to make sure that we have a great tool to make it running properly. That's where we're using FabPilot. We have a focus on multi-jet fusion and SLS on this tool. That is great to try to optimize all the nesting and all the parts to try to minimize the cost. We can go through all the steps of production, from printing to sandblasting for SLS, for instance, to tumbling, finishing. All these finishes are directly on the website, directly through FabPilot. Everybody knows what the status of every part. A lot of tools on FabPilot have been designed originally to Sculpteo to try to manage the production properly. The main focus was SLS and multi-jet fusion. For instance, the nesting tool is really adapted to how many parts we can produce in one single batch. The main thing is to try to optimize the batch to make sure that the maximum part can fit in one single batch and can be produced properly. My favorite aspect about being the production manager of Sculpteo is that since we're working with 3D printing, every project is brand new and fits a whole new need for another customer. So we have a lot of customers everywhere, and we know that every customer has his specific needs. There's a lot of creativity in every project, so we can go through projects about medical aspect to fashion, and there's always new needs and new facets of the market, and that's amazing.